Brad Hall here, and right in front of me, this is a box. It's from the kind people at Adidas, and I don't know what's inside of it. It was a total surprise package. Today, I'm gonna open this box and find out what it's got going on in there. Before I get into this, I would like to say thank you to the people at Adidas for sending this over. It is always such a thrill to get a package when you don't expect it. Now, before I open up this box, I've got to make a guess. I noticed Adidas just came out with a collab with Peloton. The collection doesn't feature any shoes though, and this box, it is a shoe-sized box. And when I gave it that shake test, definitely sounded like a pair of shoes. I also thought maybe we finally get the Brad Hall Ultra Boost, but the more I think about that, the less it makes sense. The Ultra Boost is just not a shoe that they're really pushing right now. It's much more likely that it's a Forum 84 Brad Hall in this box, but my official guess for this package, Adidas has sent me several Pharrell NMDs so far. They even sent me this upcoming pink pair that I did feature on my Instagram. It's a really nice spring colorway, so the Pharrell NMD does seem likely. I'm going to guess that this is the black version that just came out recently, so that's what I think is inside this box. Let's see if I'm right. So I just see a black box so far. Could be exactly my guess. It is not the traditional Pharrell NMD box. Here's what that looks like. So it's not that, but this could be a special box since it is an all black pair. I'm trying not to peek yet. I'm gonna read this first. I am completely wrong. So this is a totally different shoe from my guess. I'll just give it away right now. Adidas and Prada. I can't wait to see what this looks like. It's a nice lightweight bag with this that you can, this is very exciting. So I don't believe I have seen these yet in this color. This is the Adidas Prada collaboration, the Luna Rosa. This model, of course, has come out in a white colorway. I have not seen this gray colorway, so I think this is brand new, and I do like this color a lot. So the first thing I notice about this shoe, it is very lightweight. This upper, it's a translucent material, and I believe it is made of recycled materials. At least that's what I remember. Let me check on my phone. It is made of recycled materials. It's called Prime Green. And then you'll notice this midsole. Look at how it comes up around the toe. Gives you some nice protection up front. On the heel here, you've got some Prada branding. The semi-translucent midsole. It does look like it's got some boost in there, and it feels like it too. It's got a nice bit of squishiness, so it should be very comfortable. I'm very excited to try these on, see what they look like on foot. Feels very light. Looks really nice too. I like how kind of sleek it looks. I do like this toe piece even more from up top. Just gives it something interesting going on up there. Very cool. So on this episode, I guessed incorrectly. I didn't improve my record, but that's okay because even though it was an incorrect guess, I do feel pretty excited about what I got instead. A yet to be released colorway of the Adidas Prada Luna Rosa. Just totally unexpected. Very cool thing. So thank you, Adidas, and thank you for watching.